What is the difference between accuracy and precision? To explain this, I'm using the results of the period of a pendulum lab experiment from 4 students to identify which one presented results with accuracy and precision. To measure the period of a pendulum, we need a stopwatch to record the time it takes for one complete oscillation. This method is sensitive to error because of the human reaction time. I ask my students to record 4 trials. Let me say that the real value for the period of a pendulum is 2.7 seconds for a particular length of the string. Now let me look at my students' results in this table. Who was precise and who was accurate? When the results are close to each other, we say the values are precise. So now let me look each student to determine each one was precise. So here we have Nevea. All her trials are close to each other, which means her values are precise. Nicole values, they are a little bit like 2.3, then 2.5, 2.9, 2.1. So I will say her results are not precise. What about Jaylene? So Jaylene is showing 2.6 here, low in the lower end, 2.7, 2.69 to the higher end, and 2.7. So I will say Jaylene results are not precise, not like Neves. Now let me look Abraham. So here we have 2.7. This is 2.699 that could be rounded to 2.7. This is also 2.7. And the last one is 2.69, which can be rounded to 2.7. I will say his results are precise. Now let's take a look about accurate. Now when the results are close to the real value, in this case 2.7 seconds, we say the values are accurate. So let's look at Nevea. So Nevea results are not close to the real value. So we say that is not accurate. Nicole results are not close to the real value. So it's not accurate. Jaylene, let's look at his result. Here is 2.7, 2.69, that is close to 2.7. This is 2.7. So for the most part, his results are close to the real value. So I would say roughly Jaylene results are accurate. Now Abraham has 2.7. These 2.699 is 2.7, 2.7, and here 2.7. So all his results are close to the real value, which is 2.7 seconds. I will say Abraham results are accurate. As a conclusion for this lab experiment, I can state that Abraham results are precise and accurate.